Alright guys, this is the 3-piece diffuser that I've got off of eBay from Ikon Motorsports. As you can see, it comes with no instructions, but it does come with, screws. You have these like metal screws that it comes with. Then you have the black screws that it comes with. Yeah, I mean, you can tell this is the right side of the piece of this diffuser. Then you got your left side right here. Yeah. Three-piece diffuser, and yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this unboxing of my new diffuser that we got. Alright, so here's the finished part of the 3-piece diffuser. I did have to come back and add another screw because I didn't want it to be like a gap on this side. But yeah, overall, I feel like this was a good purchase. I really like this diffuser a lot. It looks really, really good. Really nice. Okay, so the install of my diffuser is like pretty simple. I mean, it came with plenty of screws, enough screws that I need to get any more of my own. I did put on this, I did put two screws, one here and one here, and I put two up under each side or whatever. But overall, I would say the install and everything, it looks really good. And I know this side marker right here does need to be replaced. I will be replacing that here soon. But yeah, as you can see, it looks really good. Complements the car really, really well. And yeah, and also with my tire situation that I was talking about in my last video, I've got some tires, if you can see them like in the back right here. But yeah, overall this install is really nice. I mean, I really like this a lot. I wasn't expecting to like it as much as I did, but I do. I really like it a lot. And once again, I'm sorry that I couldn't show you guys the process of me installing the diffuser. I would say that the diffuser, the money that I spent, $120, is not bad at all. It looks really good, y'all. Like if you was like considering on buying this, I would say go for it. It really like enhances the back of the car a lot. Like it enhances it a heck of a lot. Like it looks really good. And once again, this is an Ikon Motorsports Diffuser.